Hi everyone, today we are making these delicious Biscoff brownies. Let's go ahead and get started. Into a bowl, whisk together half a cup of white sugar, half a cup of brown sugar, and 3/4 cups of unsweetened cocoa powder. Next, add in half a cup of melted butter. The mixture may look a little bit grainy, that's totally fine. It's going to come together really nicely at the end. Toss in 2 eggs, one at a time, and whisk in between each one. It looks like I repeated this clip, but I didn't, I promise. And I also added in 2 teaspoons of vanilla. As you can see, it's all coming together nice and smooth. When you're mixing in the flour, you're going to notice it turns super thick. You could actually change over to a wooden spoon. I just didn't want to do more dishes. But yeah, and then I added in half a cup of chopped dark chocolate. I put half of the brownie batter into the prepared pan, then I dolloped some Biscoff spread on top, then I placed the remaining batter on top of that, and finished it off by swirling some extra Biscoff spread and cookies on top. I baked it at 325 for about 20 to 22 minutes. When you insert a toothpick, it should come out a little bit crumbly. Make sure that you cool it completely before cutting it, or else the Biscoff will just be super messy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Also, the full details are in the description with the blog post and everything. And I will talk to you in the next one.